Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your voice like a robotic voice in Adobe Audition. This will be a very simple tutorial, follow it. First of all, you have to select your voice and press Ctrl plus A. It will select the whole voice. After that you have to go to Effects. From there you can see this time and pitch and click on the pitch shifter. Now here you can either uh, choose a preset like Death Angry Cable or the Dark Lord. I will choose this one, or you can just customize it or play.
I want to thank the American people for the extraordinary honor of being elected your 47th
This will be very this is not good, just simply play with this.
president and your 45th.
You can choose preset or you can download it or whatever you want, you can do with that. Just
cut to narrator voice.
You can see here,
Over or on-screen text.
after finding the suitable theme for your voice, just click on apply. From there now you have to like, if you want to enhance this voice, you can simply go on effect, click on the effect. After that you can go to reverb, select studio reverb, click on that. After that, here you have lots of preset, or you can just simplify modify on your needs. After that I will choose this medium and I will apply. Just see the result.
Donald Trump is back, but this time it's different. A more organized Trump is stepping into the presidency.
So this is how you can make your simple voice to a little bit unique voice. So if this tutorial finds you helpful, then subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.